Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So in this video I am going to be doing a full build on my brand new gaming PC. I am upgrading from my old gaming PC and I'm going to turn that old one into a streaming / recording PC, and my new one is going to be a gaming PC that should hopefully last me a little while until I need to update the graphics card. But for now it should last me a good amount of time. My old gaming PC was a Ryzen 3600 with a RTX 3070 with a Corsair 750 power watt supply, 32 gigs of RAM. It did good, it held up, I liked it, but the 3600, you know, that's a pretty old CPU. I do a lot of VR gaming, so it wasn't cutting it anymore. So it's going to be my new streaming / recording PC. It should hold up for that, just for, you know, using OBS. And running everything through an Elgato video card, so it should hold up. But for now, yeah, this is my new gaming PC setup right here. I'm gonna go through all the components real quick. So starting off first, I'm going air cooled. I don't trust the AIOs. I don't know, it's just something I just don't like about them. I don't trust them. I know there's a small chance that something could happen, but if it can happen, it probably will happen. And I don't want to risk any of my components getting damaged and having to buy all new stuff. So I just went with the air cooled Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4. It's a dual fan, so it blows in, and then in the middle has another fan, blows out, and it keeps everything cool. It's a pretty large air cooled fan, as you see, so it should do the trick. It's gotten great reviews. It's $40 cheaper than the brand new Dark Rock Pro 5 that just came out, so I said screw it, you know, it's on sale, I'm gonna get it, so I got it. Next is the power supply. I'm going with an RM1000E from Corsair. It's fully modular, you know, just a power supply, gold, so got that. And then next I got the Kingston SSD. That's not for this gaming PC, that's going into my streaming PC / recording PC, just to have some extra memory in there, just to record the videos. That's all I'm going to be using that other PC for. Maybe, you know, my daughter wants to play some Roblox, but other than that, nothing else, just strictly streaming and recording. Next on the list, I got 4 of the SP120 RGB Elite Corsair fans, 120mm, 1500 RPMs. I have 2 of those already in my old gaming PC, so I'm going to take those 2 out, use these 2, and I'm going to have 6 fans total. Hopefully it creates some neutral pressure, and it all works out good. The new case I got does have fans, so all those fans are going into the streaming PC, so I don't have to worry about any more fans. Next we got our memory sticks. I'm going with the Vengeance. Gotta trust Vengeance. I've always been with them. The Corsair ones, I've always had them. Just, you know, always good. The last, I did buy the RGB Corsair ones recently, just for my old PC. But I had Vengeance before that. Always did good. I went with 64 gig DDR5 since the motherboard I use takes DDR5 and AM5. So I decided to go with the 64 gig 5200 megahertz. Next is the motherboard. I went with the Aorus B650 Elite AX. I have an Aorus B450 in my old PC. I like it. It works. Price was amazing. BIOS is very easy to operate. It's just a good all-around simple motherboard that does the job and lasts. My last PC, or my old PC, it's still going, knock on wood. It's still going after I believe like 4 years now. Still going strong, so yeah, can't complain. And next, my baby, this is what I'm excited for. The CPU, I decided to go with a Ryzen 7800 X3D. I am so excited for this. I heard nothing but great things about it. Again, this was on sale. It's actually the same price as the 5800 X3D. So I said, why not? It's the same price. I'm just going to get the higher up one. I think it is. It's gotten a lot of great reviews for VR And like I said, I do a lot of VR gaming, so it should be great. I was going to go with the 5900X, but everything said go with this one, especially for VR and gaming. So I went with that, and I can't wait to use it. Last but not least, the case, I went with the Fractal Pop XL. This thing is a beast. They say it's a mid-tower, but this thing is huge. My last case was a mid-tower, and that one was also a fractal. It was not the mesh, but I think it was called like the Fractal G. That's the one I went with before. It was like 50 bucks. I like Fractal. I like what they make. I like their products, so I decided to go with this one because it was a lot bigger, it said, but I didn't realize how big it was. This thing's like a full-size tower. It comes with 4 RGB fans. I am going to take those out, like I said. Those are going into my streaming PC, and I'm going to put all Corsair fans in there. It has 4 120mm fans in there. I think they're at 1200 RPM. So I'm going to put the Corsair ones that go up to 1500. I know it's not that much of a difference, but especially if I have 6 fans, you want to keep the RPMs pretty low. You don't want to have them just going full blast. It's just going to be loud, crazy loud. Like, imagine just having like 1800 2000 RPM fans, just all 6 of them going at once. That thing would be so loud. So I think 1500 is perfect. And yeah, I'm just gonna start on this build, and we're gonna do this build together, and I hope you enjoy. Peace.